Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to your mathematics class. We will start question number 2 of exercise 7.1 today. In this lecture, I will solve first two parts and the last two parts. Question number 2 states, solve the equations and check for extraneous roots if any. There are two steps of the question. First of all, we have to solve the equation, which means we are going to find out the answer of a variable involved, and then we have to check for extraneous roots. It means we will perform the checking step and look whether the given answer of the variable is true for our equation or not. Part 1 is under root 3x plus 4 equals to 2. How can we eliminate this radical sign? We can eliminate this radical sign by taking square on both sides. So we will take square on both sides. 2 will get cancelled with the square root and we will take the square of 2, which would be 4. 3x plus 4 will become outside the radical sign. So now we are having the equation 3x plus 4 equals to 4. I will take this plus 4 to the other side of the equation. It will become minus 4. Plus 4 and minus 4 will get cancelled with each other. So the answer will be 3x equals to 0. I have to omit that 3 with x as well. So this 3 will go to the other side of the equation and will divide with 0. You all know whenever we divide anything with 0, the answer is always 0. So the first answer of the variable part 1, the x is equals to 0. We have to place that value of x in the given equation and we will look whether the answer is equals to 2 or not. So we will perform the checking step. Substituting x is equals to 0 in the original equation was under root 3x plus 4 equals to 2. We will write 0 instead of x, so it will become 3 into 0 plus 4 equals to 2. The equation will become 0 plus 4 equals to 2. 0 plus 4 is 4. Taking the root of 4, it will be 2 equals to 2, which is true. It means both the sides of the equation in the checking step have become equal to each other. It means the answer we are having of x is true for our given equation. So we will write the answer in the solution set, that is in the curly brackets, 0 will be written. Coming to part 2 of the same question. Part 2 is cube root of 2x minus 4 minus 2 equals to 0. You all know that cube root is cancelled with cube, but if I take cube on both sides to the original equation, this will become a and then minus, and this will become b whole cube. We had to apply the formula of cube then. But if I take this minus 2 to the other side of the equation, हमारे पास इक्वेशन के एक तरफ सिंगल डिजिट रह जाएगा और दूसरी तरफ भी सिंगल डिजिट आ जाएगा. क्यूब रूट 2x माइनस 4 एक तरफ रह गया, 2 एक तरफ आ गया. अगर यहाँ पे मैं आप क्यूब लूँ दोनों साइड्स का, तो इस साइड का क्यूब रूट से कैंसिल होगा और 2 का क्यूब हमारा 8 आ जाएगा. लेकिन अगर मैं इस इक्वेशन का ही क्यूब लेती तो हमें लेफ्ट साइड पर क्यूब का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना पड़ता. सो नाउ टेकिंग क्यूब ऑन बोथ साइड्स, radical sign will get cancelled and taking the cube of 2 it will become 8. 2x minus 4 will become outside the radical sign. So now we are having the equation 2x minus 4 equals to 8. Minus 4 will be taken to the right side of the equation. It will become plus 4. 2x is equals to 8 plus 4. It will become 2x equals to 12. We will divide 2 with 12. So the answer will be equals to 6. We are having the answer of a variable which is 6. Now we will replace x with 6 in the given equation और फिर हम देखेंगे कि क्या इक्वेशन इक्वल्स टू 0 आ रही है. सो हम चेकिंग द स्टेप परफॉर्म करते हैं जिसमें we are going to substitute x is equals to 6 in the original equation. This was our original equation. We will write cube root 2 and then we will write 6 instead of x. Minus 4 minus 2 equals to 0. 2 into 6 will become 12. Then minus 4 minus 2 equals to 0. 12 minus 4 is 8. We know that cube root of 8 is 2. So 2 minus 2 equals to 0. Plus 2 and minus 2 will get cancelled with each other. The answer will be 0 and is equal to also there is 0, which is true because we are having both the sides equal to each other. So we will write the final answer in the form of a solution set. We will write solution set equals to curly bracket 6. Part number 7. Part number 7 states under root 2t plus 6 minus under root 2t minus 5. Here again we are having two terms to the left side of the equation. As I told you before, we don't put two terms to one side of the equation because in this matter we have to apply the formula, but we don't apply the formula. हम उसको simplify कर लेते हैं ताकि हमें formula apply ना करना पड़े. और simplify के लिए हम क्या करते हैं कि किसी भी एक टर्म को इक्वल के दूसरी तरफ ले जाते हैं. यहाँ पे मैंने माइनस अंडर रूट 2t माइनस 5 को जब इक्वल की दूसरी तरफ लेके गई तो ये माइनस साइन हमारा प्लस साइन में चेंज हो गया. अब क्योंकि हमारे पास स्क्वायर रूट है तो वी विल अप्लाई द स्क्वायर ऑन बोथ साइड. सो टेकिंग स्क्वायर ऑन बोथ साइड, दोनों साइड्स के रूट्स स्क्वायर से कैंसिल हो जाएंगे और हमारे पास 2t प्लस 6 और 2t माइनस 5 आउटसाइड द रूट आ जाएगा. हमने वेरिएबल्स एक तरफ कर देने होते हैं और नॉन वेरिएबल टर्म्स एक तरफ. इसका मतलब ये प्लस 2t इक्वल के लेफ्ट साइड पर चला जाएगा. So the equation will become 2t minus 2t equals to minus 5 minus 6. Minus 5 minus 6 तो 11 हो गया, लेकिन प्लस 2t और माइनस 2t तो एक दूसरे से कैंसिल हो जाएंगे और 0 आ जाएगा. इसका मतलब इस क्वेश्चन में तो हमारा वेरिएबल ही खत्म हो गया. तो जब वेरिएबल ही खत्म है तो हम वेरिएबल का आंसर भी नहीं निकाल सकते, और जब हम वेरिएबल का आंसर नहीं निकालेंगे तो हमारा सोल्यूशन सेट एम्प्टी आ जाएगा. सोल्यूशन सेट इज नॉट पॉसिबल, सो solution set is equals to empty set. Question number 2, part 8. Part 8 is under root x plus 1 over 2x plus 5 equals to 2. हमारा पार्ट 8 बिल्कुल सिंपल है, लेकिन इसमें फ्रैक्शन इन्वॉल्व हो गई है. हमारे पास इक्वल के दोनों तरफ सिंगल सिंगल टर्म्स मौजूद हैं, इसलिए डायरेक्टली हम स्क्वायर के स्टेप पर आ जाएंगे. जब हम स्क्वायर लेंगे ऑन बोथ साइड्स, square root on both sides, so this root will get cancelled with the square and the square of 2 is 4. हमारे पास x plus 1 और 2x plus 5 outside the root आ जाएगा और equal हो जाएगा 4 के. I will take 2x plus 5 to the other side of the equation. As it is dividing here, so it will multiply with 4 to the other side. X plus 1 equals to 4 into 2x plus 5. 4 into 2 will become 8 and 5 into 4 will become 20. We have to take all the variables to the right side, to the left side, and the non-variable terms to the right side. It will become x minus 8x equals to 20 minus 1. X minus 8x is minus 7x and 20 minus 1 is 19. Taking this minus 7 to the other side of the equation, it will become x is equals to minus 19 over 7. This is the answer of x, which is minus 19 over 7. Now we have to replace this in the given equation. We will perform the checking step, substituting x is equals to minus 19 over 7 in the original equation. This was our original equation, so I am going to write, instead of x, I am writing minus 19 over 7, plus 1 will remain the same. Again in the denominator, I will write 2 and I will not write x, I will write minus 19 over 7, then plus 5 and equals to 2. Multiplying 2 with minus 19 over 7, it will become minus 38 over 7, and I have taken the LCM on the numerator. It has become minus 19 plus 7 over 7. We will take the LCM on the denominator as well. It will become minus 38 plus 35 over 7. The 7 on the denominators will get cancelled with each other. Minus 19 plus 7 will become minus 12 over 7, and minus 38 plus 3 over 7 will become minus 3 over 7. This 7 and 7 will get cancelled with each other. We will be having minus 12 over minus 3, which will be under root 4. Always remember, whenever we are having same signs in the denominators of a fraction, because we are having a fraction here and 7 is the denominator of the numerator and 7 is the denominator of the denominator, so we can cancel the denominators here. जब कभी हमारे पास फ्रैक्शन में भी फ्रैक्शंस मौजूद हों तो वो जो फ्रैक्शंस होती हैं उनके डिनोमिनेटर्स अगर सेम हैं तो उन्हें कैंसिल आउट किया जा सकता है. तो 7 7 से यहाँ पे आराम से कैंसिल हो जाएगा. अगर आपको ये स्टेप समझ नहीं आ रहा तो आप -12/7 और डिवाइड -3/7 लिखें। जब आप डिवाइड को मल्टीप्लाई में चेंज करेंगे तो आपको खुद ही समझ आ जाएगा कि 7 क्योंकि ऊपर चला गया तो 7 और 7 कैंसिल आउट हो जाएंगे। तो रूट 4 का हमारे पास 2 आ गया और इक्वल के बाद भी हमारे पास 2 था, तो इट मीन्स ये इक्वेशन हमारी ट्रू हो गई। और क्योंकि इक्वेशन ट्रू है इसलिए हमारा आंसर सोल्यूशन सेट में लिख दिया जाएगा। सोल्यूशन सेट आ जाएगा -19/7।